In this video, I'll show you how you can turn your joins on and off in Roblox. Now what you want to do is simply head over to roblox.com. In here, go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, what you want to do is you want to find the privacy and content maturity. So click on this one, and if I go in here, you should see one called visibility and private servers. Now if I click on this one and I head over to visibility, in here you'll be able to see who can see your current experience and join you. So if you want to turn it completely off, just choose no one. If you only want your friends or people you follow to be able to join you, you can select these. Or if you want everyone to be able to join you, just select everyone. So this is basically how it works, guys. You just run ahead in here and then you can select if you want to have it on or off. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.